yard. He doesn't ever bite. He just works pretty steadily. Nothing amazing, just works around the yard. Go Torch. But never bites. That's him working the yard, pretty much like that. Go Torch. He doesn't back, but he'll push into them a bit and just keeps forcing them up, but he doesn't, never bites. It's his main strength. Go Torch. Go Torch. Go Torch. He might be short of an inch of dash, but he just keeps working away like that all the time, which is what you want really. He doesn't run fast, but he runs near enough and he's very noisy and heaps of distance. Really easy to work. Speak Torch.